Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those fly.
All right, James, ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3, go. You'll see very few of these championship belts on a maker's table. This is one of the reasons why. This is not an easy thing to do. Oh, yeah, he's going to make sure that one went off. Yep, he can pop that rope, oh. I've seen him cut rope before. But can and will he do it this time? We're going to see. Yeah, and in the bucket it went, too.
Hey, where are you at?
Shotgun shell. It's cut, but off the table. That's a 5. That's good.
It's a cut.
He got it.
It cut.
All right, well, I'll have to try to get over there to you. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm over here where they're doing the cut.
James Stevens.
Okay, great. Thank you. Bye-bye.